In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a two-way sync between Notion and Google Calendar. By the end, your events will flow both ways, so updates in one place show up in the other without any extra work. Start by opening the Notion website in your browser. A desktop browser works best because you'll be moving through a few authorization windows and it keeps everything on one screen. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the process doesn't stall midway. Next, look for the place where you can choose services to connect, then select Google Calendar and Notion. You're essentially telling the connector which two tools you want to link. If you see options for which account or workspace to use, pick the ones you actually use every day to avoid syncing the wrong data. Click Connect Google Calendar. A Google permission window will appear, guiding you through the prompts. Choose the correct Google account and review the permissions it requests. Grant the access it needs to read and write events. That's what allows the two-way sync to happen. This step can take a moment, so be patient and avoid closing the tab while it spins. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them for this page so the authorization window can open. When that finishes, click Continue, then select Connect Notion. Follow the prompts on your screen again. You'll see a Notion authorization page asking which workspace to connect. Approve access, and if you're asked to choose a specific database or calendar view in Notion, pick the one where you want your events to live. If there's an option to choose the sync direction, confirm two-way sync, so changes in both tools stay aligned. Once both connections are authorized, the system will finalize the link and begin syncing. The first sync may take a few minutes depending on how many events you have. You'll usually see a confirmation message or status indicator when it's ready. To verify, refresh your Notion page and your Google Calendar. Creating a quick test event can help confirm it's working. Add it in Google Calendar and check that it appears in Notion, then make a small edit in Notion and see it reflect back in Google Calendar. If something doesn't show up right away, give it another minute. Confirm you selected the correct calendar and Notion workspace during the prompts. And make sure your browser didn't block any authorization screens. That's it. Your two-way sync between Notion and Google Calendar is now up and running. Enjoy keeping your schedule in perfect harmony across both tools.